Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, April 21st. This is David, and let's take a look here at gold, right? Continues to be a bright spot here, even when the indices are struggling. And one of the things that we can see is this Voodoo Lines roadmap, right? Holding support as we did at this lower fire line down here, just around 2,300, right? We tested it several times for support back here the middle of last year, but from there it was straight up, right? To one of these second most important tree lines, right? But that only led to a little pullback, working our way above, some pullbacks here at the upper tree line, but above those. And the way these roadmaps work, right, we set up an initial potential move up towards the upper fire line from the lower one. And so long as we can get to and through these tree lines, that keeps that idea on track. Now, above both tree lines, and we're going to keep looking up towards that 35.62 area. And between the tree line and that fire line level, we have two snow lines. We're above both of those. So unless that changes, we can keep looking towards that 35.62 area. And this right now is the tool I'm using to manage, because we've gotten through all of my upside Elliott wave targets, but clearly the uptrend isn't over. And so I want to stick with it. So, I'm going to take a warning below this 33.78 level on my long gold, right? That warning means if the move down through that level is particularly sharp, looks particularly trend-like, then I'll probably take it as an exit. If we get through it in a more choppy manner, I'll give it more room towards this lower 32.64 snowline area. But below there, and I am out of all my long gold unless or until I can see that pullback having a counter trend structure. So, still long for the moment as we have a clear shot towards that upper fire line, so long as we stay above these snow line levels. We'll talk more about the indices and how those might be putting in some sort of short-term low here today in the premium video, as well as look through a few other markets and symbols. But I will be back here with you. Not next week. I got to be out of the office next Monday, but I will have another free video for you the Monday after that. And until I see you next, as always, good trade. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.